Hey, what's up guys? My name is Matic and today we're going to talk about some basic sentences you need to know how to say if you ever come to Slovenia or even run into a Slovenian. Firstly, you want to know how to come up to a person and say, for example, hey, how you doing? If you want to say that, you would say živjo, kako si kaj? Question mark. Or if you want to introduce yourself to another person and ask them by their name, you would say moje ime je Matic, pa tvoje? Question mark. And that would translate into I am Matic, that is my name, and yours. And if you are ever lost, you can ask by your location and it would sound something like this. Oprostite, kje se nahajam? Question mark. And it would mean, excuse me, where am I? And also, if you want to know the time, you just say, oprostite, koliko je ura? And that would translate into, excuse me, what's the time? So that, my gamers, will be it for this week's video, and I hope you enjoy your day. Peace out!